Namaste. We will start. गुरुरेव गतिः गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो सरस्वती नमस्तेस्तु वीणा पुस्तकधारिणी हंसवाहनमारूढे विद्यादानं कुरुष्व मे. So we have two more pathas on Abhigyana Shakuntalam. So we'll continue. Mangala Shloka. या सृष्टिः स्रष्टुराद्या वहति विधिभूतं या हविर्या च गोत्री ये द्वे कालं निधत्तः श्रुतिविषयगुणा या स्थिता व्याप्य विश्वं यामाहुः सर्वबीजप्रकृतिरिति यया प्राणिनः प्राणवन्तः प्रत्यक्षाभिः प्रपन्नः तनुभिरवतु हस्ताभिरष्टाभिरीशः. So the next partha is lesson 12 in your pustaka. So the number here is the number in the lesson number. Okay. So Vijnana Shakuntalam 12, it means 12th lesson from the pustaka. Okay. So Raja Dushyanta. Shakuntalam Utthanat Varayan Alam Alam Ayasena Te Gatrani Guru Paritapani Tani Ayasam Narhanti. So if you remember where we stopped, so the three ladies were talking inside that enclosure near the banks of Malini. So they are talking about writing a love letter to Dushyanta. At that time, he suddenly appears in front of them. And the last dialogue we saw was Swagatam Manorathasya, right? So Avilambinaha Manorathasya Swagatam. So they are welcoming Dushyanta. He suddenly appeared. So then when he appeared, everybody wants to go and greet him. So Shakuntala is lying on that bed of flowers and she gets up to greet him. Shakuntalam Utthanat Varayan. So he is stopping. Varayan Shatripratyanta, like Patan Gachan. So one who stops. So he is stopping Shakuntala from getting up. Utthanat Shakuntalam Varayan. Raja, what does he say? Alam alam ayasena. So ayasa is Shranti. So she is very, she's in a state of fatigue. So she is tired. So alam alam ayasena. Don't strain yourself, he says. Alam alam ayasena. Te gatrani guru paritapani. Gatram tikte angam. So all your angas. Guru paritapani means there is it is affected by Mahan Tapa. Okay, so there is so much of Tapa which has affected all your limbs of your body. So Tava Gatrani Guru Paritapani. So we have Guruhu here means Mahan Paritapaha Yeshu. So Tani Angani Athava Gatrani. So Paritapa is Parisarvato bhave tapyate anena. So it means from all directions. So she is having tapa due to heat from outside and inside due to her manoratha. Okay, so she is affected. She is in pain. So he says, don't strain yourself. You are already having lot of pain. Tani ayasam narhanti. So tani gatrani. So your limbs which are already fatigued, they don't deserve any strain now. So don't get up to greet me. So don't strain, he says. Sorry, it should be Raja. I'll correct it. So stopping Shakuntala from getting up. So Uttanat Varayan. Alam alam ayasena. So do not strain yourself. So te gatrani guru paritapani. So your angas, your limbs are already greatly afflicted by intense suffering. Tani ayasam narhanti. So they do not deserve further exertion. Anasuya. Itaha upavishatu vayasyaha. So vayasyaha is friend. Sakha. So she is addressing Dushyanta as friend. So let the friend sit here. So itaha upavishatu. So let our friend sit here. So upavishatu lotkara. Vayasyaha is Dushyantaha. Raja upavishati. Shakuntala salajja tishtati. So he sits and she stands there or she gets up with shy lajja. Salajja. So lajjaya saha. So Shakuntala stands with shy bashfully and Raja upavishati. He sits down. Priyam vada. Hey Rajan. Yuvayoho dvayorapi anyonyam anuragaha pratyakshaha. So Priyambada says, O king, Rajan Sambodhana, Prathama Ekavachanam, Yuvayoho Dvayorapi, of two of you, of both of you, few and Shakuntala, Anyonyam Anuragaha Pratyakshaha. So your Paraspara Anuraga, the mutual love you have for each other is Pratyaksha. It is very, very evident. We can see it from your way, your behavior, whatever. So it is Pratyaksha. We can see it. So the mutual affection between both of you is very much evident. So yuvayoho dvayoho api anyonyam anuragaha pratyakshaha. So the anuraga is pratyaksha. Anuraga here the mutual love. But anyonyam anuraga is the paraspara anuraga. Pratyakshaha. Tathapi sakhi snehaha mam chodayati. राज्ञा आर्तिहरेण भवितव्यम् येषवो धर्मः इयम् आवयोः प्रियसखी त्वाम् उद्दिश्य इमाम् अवस्थां प्राप्ता अस्याः जीवितं रक्षणीयम्. So she continues. So she says, your love is evident. Even then, tathapi. So I know you will take care of her and she will take care of you. It is understood. Still, but still, tathapi. Sakhi snehaha. Means friendship. The sneha that I have for my sakhi. Sakhi snehaha mam chodayati. So chodayati is like prerayati. It is making me, compelling me to tell you this. Mam chodayati. Rajna artiharena bhavitavyam. So bhavitavyam tavyat pratyaya. So we have this karmani pattern. So rajna bhavitavyam means raja bhavet. Raja artiharaha bhavet. So how should a king be? A king should be artihara. Arti means pida, a trouble, distress. Artim harati iti artiharaha. So one who removes the peda is artihara. So rajna artiharena bhavitavyam. Raja artiharaha bhavet. He should be a remover of distress. Yeshaha vo dharmaha. So vo here is vaha. Vaha dharmaha. So vaha is the second form of Yushmat Shabda. Shashti Bahuvachanam. So Yushmakam dharmaha. So yeshaha Yushmakam dharmaha. So that is your dharma. What is the dharma of a king? He should protect everybody. He should remove their troubles. Rajna artiharena bhavitavyam. Yeshaha vaha dharmaha. Iyam avayoho priyasakhi tvam uddishya imam avastham prapta. So, iyam priyasakhi, this friend, beloved friend of ours, avayoho priyasakhi, our friend, this beloved friend of us, tvam uddishya, so on account of you, imam avastham prapta. So she has reached this avastha, she has got this avastha today, it is because of you. So tvam uddishya imam avastham prapta. So if you see here, the prapta is tapratyanta, but it is used in kartrartha here. So normally we say pataha patitaha, right? Maya patitaha. Now the karta will be in tritiya. So in some cases for some dhatus you also see the usage in kartrartha. So priyasaki prapta. So Shakuntala imam avastam prapta. So she has attained this state. So here it is in kartrartha. Tapratyaya is used in kartrartha. Asyaha jivitam rakshaniyam. So this is what she is telling him. I know you love each other, but still the friendship is forcing me to say this, that a king should always be a remover of distress. So my friend she is in distress now. It is because of you, on account of you. So asyaha jivitam rakshaniyam. So you should protect her life. Jivitam tyukte jivanam. Asyaha jivanam rakshaniyam. So rakshaniyam aniyat pratyaya rakshidatu. So her life should be protected by you. Iti artha. So Premvada says, even so, tathapi, Sakhi snehaha mam chodayati, the affection of friendship compels me to say, Rajna artihareda bhavitavyam. A king must always be a remover of distress. Yeshaha vaha dharmaha. So this is your duty, your dharma. Yam avayoho priyasaki tvam uddishya imam avastham prapta. So this dear friend of ours, Priya Sakhi, has reached this condition, imam avastam prapta, because of you, tvam uddishya, on account of you. So asyaha jeevitam rakshaniyam. So her life must be protected. Raja, Bhadre, mamapi sadharanaha ayam pranayaha, sarvatha anugrihitaha asmi, idam hridayam ananya parayanam. So he replies back to Priyambada, Bhadre, oh good one, good lady. Mamapi sadharanaha ayam pranayaha. So sadharanaha ityukte sadrushaha, samanaha. So samanaha pranayaha. So pranayaha is yachanam. So you have a request that I should take care of her. So the same prarthana is what I too have. Mamapi sadharanaha ayam pranayaha. Mamapi sadrushaha pranayaha asti. So I also have a similar prarthana. Sarvatha anugrihitaha asmi. Sarvatha in always, in not in always, by all means ityartha. So sarvatha ityukte by all means anugrihitaha asmi. So I am favored because what I wanted to say now everything you have told. So I had a doubt in my mind, or I had a prarthana that she should not reject me. So she was only thinking that Raja should not refuse her. But he also had the same kind of prarthana that she should not refuse him, and she should take care of him. Iti. So I am, because of now that you say this, I am so happy. I am favored by your speech. So sarvatha anugrihitaha asmi. Idam hridayam ananya parayanam. So this hridaya of mine, ananya parayana, na anya nari parayanam, abhishtam yasya. So one for whom no other nari is likable, right? So na anya nari parayanam, abhishtam yasya tadrusham hridayam mama. So idam hridayam ananya parayanam means I am completely devoted to you. Iti artha. Devoted to her. Iti artha. So Bhadre, O noble lady, mama api sadharanaha ayam pranayaha. So this suit is common to both of us. Ityukte this prarthana that you are requesting me to take care of her and not refuse her. Same way, I also have the same prarthana. I don't want her to refuse me and I want her to take care of me. So sarvatha anugrihitaha asmi. So I feel favored by you. So this has helped me. My work is now easy. You yourself have told me what I wanted to tell her. So this I am favored by you in every way. Idam hridayam ananya parayanam. So it is completely devoted to her. Iti artha. So ananya parayanam hridayam. Anasuya. Vayasya Rajano bahuvallabhaha श्रूयन्ते आवयोः सखी बन्धुभिः शोच्या न भवेत् तथा निर्वाहय. So now Anasuya says Vayasya, hey Rama, like hey Vayasya, sorry, this Sambodhana Prathama, Vayasya decline like Rama, Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. Hey Vayasya, Rajanaha bahuvallabhaha shruyante. So kings, Rajanaha, Prathama Bahuvachanam, Raja, Rajanu, Rajanaha, Prathama Bahuvachanam. Rajanaha bahuvallabhaha, Kidrishaha bahuvallabhaha. So Vallabha ityukte patni. So Bahavaha Vallabhaha or Bhahvyaha Vallabhaha. So Bhahvyaha Vallabhaha Yesham te. So one who has many wives. So Rajanaha. So kings normally have many wives. So Rajanaha bahuvallabhaha shruyante. It is heard that kings normally have many wives. Avayoho sakhi, our friend, the friend of us. Bandhubihi shochya na bhavet. So bandhu ityukte the other wives or everybody there in your palace. Bandhubihi shochya na bhavet. So she should not be dukkhita na bhavet. So she should not have any sorrow from anybody there. So bandhubihi shochya na bhavet tata nirvahaya. So you carry on in that way. So take care of her in such a way that she is not, she doesn't have any trouble from anybody, any of your bandhus iti. So friend, he Vayasya, Rajanaha bahuvallabhaha shruyante. It is heard that kings have many beloveds. Avayoho sakhi. बन्धुभिः शोच्या न भवेत् तथा निर्वाहय. So please so arrange. Tatha nirvahaya is so arrange that our dear friend is not to be bewailed by her relatives, okay, by any wives or anybody there, by any of your bandhu. She should not be dukkhita. She should not face any trouble. Iti Anasuya tells him. Raja Bhadre किं बहुना मम परिग्रहा भावः तथापि मे कुलस्य द्वे प्रतिष्ठे एका इयम् उर्वी इयं च युवयोः सखी. So now he answers किं बहुना, what more, मम परिग्रहाः बहवः. So परिग्रह again patni, so one artha is patni. So परिग्रहाः बहवः, okay, many wives, I have many wives. तथापि मे कुलस्य द्वे प्रतिष्ठे, even then for my lineage, okay, for me there are only two pratishtha ityukte say gaurava hetu, okay. So there are pratishthe is strilinga pada dvivachanam, so two, so dve pratishthe, so eka pratishtha dve pratishthe strilinga dvivachanam gaurava hetu, so kind of pillar of my race, only two people. Eka iyam urvi, so iyam prithvi, so this prithvi, this for a raja first wife is always the bhumi, whom he is taking care, right? So eka iyam urvi iyam prithvi, then iyam yuvayoho sakhi cha, so this friend of yours, okay. So only two people, one is the bhumi and the other is your sakhi, yuvayoho sakhi, this Shakuntala. So kulasya dve pratishthe, so they are the pillars of my lineage, only two people. I might have many wives, but two people are my pillars of my lineage. Who are they? Or my glory of my lineage. One is the bhumi and second is this friend of yours, he says. So Badre kim bahuna, what more can I say? Mama parigrahaha bhavaha, so I have many concepts. Tathapi, even then, me kulasya mama kulasya dve pratishthe, so there are two pillars of my lineage honor, my glory, my kula glory, okay. So eka iyam urvi, so one is this prithvi, the earth. Iyam cha yuvayoho sakhi cha, so iyam yuvayoho sakhi cha, this friend of yours is the other person. Okay, so he says this to Priyambada or Anasuya. So with this 12th patha is over, small lesson. So we continue with the next lesson, the last lesson of Shakuntalam, lesson number 26 in the Pustaka. So this is the last part from the Tritiya Anka. We continue. Anasuya Priyambada cha Shakuntalayaha Sakhyau. So they are friends of Shakuntala, Anasuya and Priyambada. Sakhyau Dvitiya Ekavachan, sorry, Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachan, Dvivachanam. Sakhi, Sakhyau, Sakhyaha, Prathama Dvivachanam. Shakuntalam Tam Paricharatah, Tau Paricharatah. So Tau, those two. Shakuntalam Paricharatah. So it should be te Paricharatah. So two female friends. So sa te taha. So te Shakuntalam Paricharatah. Those two are, it's a mistake. Tau should be corrected. So those two take care of Shakuntala. They are doing the seva. They are taking care of her. Raja tabhyam saha bhashamanaha tishtati. So this is the scene that Raja is talking to them. So we just saw that Raja is talking to these three people. Bhashamanaha, shanach pratyaya, bhashadatu. So again, it is an adjective for Raja. So he is talking, iti artha. So Anasuya and Priyambada, Shakuntala's friends. Anasuya, Priyambada, Shakuntalayaha Sakhyau. Then Shakuntalam te Paricharatah. So they are attending to Shakuntala. Raja tabhyam saha bhashamanaha tishtati. The king stands conversing with them. Priyambada, sa drishtikshepam. Anasuye, yeshaha mridapotakaha mataram anvishyati. Yehi sanyojayava enam matra. So, Priyambada, so now the situation is Dushyanta has promised that he will take care of Shakuntala, right? So Priyambada, Sadrishti Kshepam. So now she is looking here and there, meaning she is giving a hint to her friend Anasuya that she has to leave both of them, leave them alone. Iti. So Anasuye, Yeshaha Mrigapotakah Mataram Anvishyati. So there is a Mrigapotaka, Shishu, Mriga Shishu. So a small deer, a young one of a deer. Mrigapotakah Mataram Anvishyati. It is searching for its mother. Yehi is come lotlakara inudatu. Yehi is rupa madhyama purusha ekavachanam. Yehi sanyojayavaha yenam matra saha. So let us go unite it with its mother. Okay, yenam mrigapotakam matra saha sanyojayavaha. So let us get this united with its mother. So this young one is looking for its mother. So let us go take it to its mother Riti. So she wants to basically, both of them want to leave this place and leave them alone. So for that she says this. So Sadrishti Kshepam. So she is looking here around and she is giving a hint in this way to Anasuya. Anasuya, this fawn, Mrigapotaka, so is searching for its mother. Mataram Anvishyati. Yehi, come. Sanyojayavaha yenam matra. So matra saha yenam Mrigapotakam Sanyojayava. So let us unite, let both of us take it to its mother and unite it with her. Iti artha. Shakuntala. Hala asharana asmi. Yuvayoho anyatara agachatu. So now they leave. Hala. So this is like expression. Alas, she says, Asharana asmi. Oh, now I feel lonely or I am alone. I'm kind of unprotected now. Asharana asmi. Yuvayoho anyatara agachatu. So yuvayoho anyatara. One out of you both. One of you. So anyatara is one out of yuvayoho of you both. So anyatara yuvayoho atra agachatu. So please come here. One of you, please come here. So she feels uneasy staying alone with him. So she is calling one of her friends here. So, oh, I'm helpless, alone or unprotected. One of you, please come. So, yuvayoho anyatara agachatu. So, gachatu is given in the pustaka. So, make it agachatu, or probably you can make it as a single word. It can't be gachatu. So, it has to be one of you come here. That was in the main pustaka also. Or it could be like one of you go, one stay back. So the pustaka gives gachatu separately. The main book, it is agachatu. So however it is, the artha is she wants one to stay and one to probably, she is permitting the other one to go. Sakhyau. Prithivyaha yaha sharanam saha tava samipe vartate gachataha. So why are you feeling asharana? Why are you feeling alone? Prithivyaha yaha sharanam. So one who is a refuge for this entire Prithvi, saha tava samipe vartate. He is close to you. Why do you need our help? Okay, so don't feel lonely. The protector of this whole earth is near you, close to you. So two friends, the protector of earth is near you. Yaha Prithivyaha sharanam. He who is the refuge of this whole earth. Saha tava samipe vartate. So he is close to you. So what more do you need is the artha, intended artha. Gachataha. Saying so, both of them, they leave. Shakuntala. Katham gate eva. So katham, how come? Gate eva, have they left? Have both of them really gone? So she is now worried. Have both of them left? Raja. Alam avegena. Ayam janaha tava aradhayita. Sayeva samipe vartate. Kim sheetalaihi nalinidalaihi vijayami. Uta tava charanau sambahayami. So, alam avegena. So, avega is udvega. So, don't feel that that kind of uneasiness, right? Don't have it. be calm. Alam avegena. Ayam janaha tava aradhayita. Ayam jana. So he refers to himself, this person, this king. Tava aradhayita. He is an adorer of you. Okay, so one who adores you. So aradhayita. So upasarga radh dhatu. So ayam janaha tava aradhayita. Sahayeva samipe vartate. And that person is close to you. He is staying close to you. Kim Sheetalaihi Nalinidalaihi Vijayami. So, so they were both friends, Anasuya and Priyambada, where they were doing this fanning her with the lotus leaves, those seva, right? So this Raja is now asking, so shall I do it? So they have left, don't worry, you are alone. So I am here. I am also an adorer of you. Like how they like you, I also like you. So can I fan with these lotus leaves? Kim Sheetalaihi Nalini Dalaihi Vijayami. So shall I fan with that Nalini Dala? Uta tava charanau samvahayami. Can I press your feet? Okay. So he says you are in fatigues, right? So can I help you? So he's asking her. So don't feel uneasy. Alam avegena. Ayam janaha tava aradhita. So aradhita is like katta. So trichida. Prathama ekavachanam. We say katta, right? Same way. So this person is an adorer of yours. Sayeva samipe vartate. So I am close to you, right by your side. Kim sheetalaihi nalinidalaihi vijayami. So shall I fan you with cool lotus leaves? Uta tavacharanau samvahayami. Or you have pain in your feet, can I massage your feet? So whatever those two friends were doing, he is asking, can I do them? Shakuntala, mananiya bhavantaha teshu na atmanam aparadhaishye. So, mananiya bhavantaha. Oh, you are of high honor. So I cannot ask you to press my leg, right? You are a great king, right? So you are an honorable man. Teshu na atmanam aparadhaishye. So in front of you, I cannot act in a way as if I am dishonoring you. Okay, so I cannot commit aparadha or make you do these things. You are of high profile, right? You are a great king. I cannot ask you to fan or press my legs. So teshu na atmanam aparadhaishye. So I will not act in such a way that dishonors myself before you. Iti utthaya gantumichhati. So she gets a prize to get up and she goes gantumichhati. Uttaya lyapu pratyaya uttu upasarga sthadatu. Gantum, again tumun pratyaya. Both are pradantas. Gantum gamudatu tumun pratyaya. Gantum ichhati. Raja tam hastena grinnati. So now he holds her by his hand. Hastena grinnati. So she rises and prepares to leave. Uttaya gantumichhati. So he holds her by her hand. Shakuntala. Paurava vinayam raksha. Aham atmano na prabhavami. So he addresses him as Paurava. Hey Paurava. Vinayam raksha. So maintain your decorum. Aham atmanaha na prabhavami. Which means I have, she already told Gurujana Adina, right? So she mentioned I cannot make decisions on my own, right? So I am always under the protection of my Gurujana, the people inside this hermitage. So aham atmanaha na prabhavami. So I cannot act as if I can take decisions on my own. Okay, I'm always Gurujana Paradina, we studied last time. In the previous partha. So, aham atmanaha na prabhavami ityukte swechaya kimapi kartum na shakta. So, I am dependent, right? Dependent on the people here. So, without my father's decision, I cannot take any decision. So, she says, aham atmanaha na prabhavami. O prince of Paurava. So, Paurava, keep to decorum. Atmanaha na prabhavami. So, I am not a master, my own master. So it means I cannot take any decision on my own. Iti artha. So Raja says, Bhiru, alam gurujanebhyo bayena, tatra bhavan kulapatihi dharmam vetti, atra saha na dosham grahishyati. बह्व्यो राजकन्यकाः गान्धर्वेण विवाहेन परिणीताः ताः पितृभिः अभिनन्दिताश्च. So Bhiru is one who is Bhayashila, so one who is scared, a timid person. So he addresses her as Bhiru. Alam Gurujanebhyo Bhayena. So enough of being scared of the Gurujana, right? Tatra Bhavan Kulapatihi Dharmam Veti. Tatra Bhavan, His Highness Kulapati, Kanva refers to Kanva. Dharmam Veti. So he knows what is Dharma. Veti Vididatu, Latlakara, Pratama Purusha Ekavachana. So he knows Janati. So Dharmam Janati. Atra Saha na Dosham Grahishyati. So he will not find any fault here. There is no dosha here. So he will not find the fault. Bhafyo Rajakanyakaha Gandharvena Vivahena Parinitaha. So lot of Rajakanyaka, so princess. So they have been married with this Gandharva Vivaha kind of marriage. So they take decision on their own and they marry. Love marriage kind of a marriage. So Gandharvena Vivahena Parinitaha. So they have been married this way. Lot of Rajakanyakas. Taha Pitrubhihi Abhinanditascha. So they were all congratulated by their parents. They were not, the dosha was not found there, and you don't have to be scared of your Gurujana, is his intention of saying this to her. So Bhiru, so hey Bhiru is Sambodhana Ekavachanam. So, O timid one. Alam Gurujanebhyo Bayena. So don't get scared of the Gurujanu. Do not fear your elders. Tatra Bhavan Kulapatihi Dharmam Veti. So the revered head of your hermitage, Kanva, knows righteousness, knows dharma. Atra saha no na dosham grahishyati. So he will not find any fault. So dosham na pashyati. So Bhahvyo Rajakanyakaha Gandharvena Vivahena Parinitaha. So there have been lot of noble men, women. So Rajanya Kanyaka. So one related to the Raja, belonging to Raja iti artha. So many princes, you can say princess. So they have been wedded through the Gandharva rites. Parinitaha, they have been married. So tapratyaya. So ya pari upasarga ni dhatu tapratyaya. Taha pitribihi abhinanditascha. Again abhinandita tapratyaya. So abhi upasarga. So we have nand dhatu. So they have been encouraged or they have been approved and celebrated, right? So they were not, the parents did not find any fault with this, he says. But still Shakuntala says, Mam muncha, sakhibhyam bhuyaha anumatim lapsye. So she says, Mam muncha, so muchadatu, to release, to let free. So Mam muncha, please leave me, release me. Sakhibhyam bhuyaha anumatim lapsye. So lapsye labdatu, ritlakara, future tense. So once again, bhuyaha tyukte punaha. So I will first seek. Once more, I will seek consent from my friends. So she says she wants to get the consent of her friends first. Raja, bhavatu, mokshyami. So again, muchidatu, future tense, litlakara, mokshyami, aham mokshyami. Okay, I will let you go. I shall release you. Shakuntala, kada, when are you going to release? So then Nepatye, so this is a drama, right? So behind the scenes, Ahi Sacharam Amantrayasva Rajani Upasthita. So here it is like somebody is giving this voice. Ahi Sahacharam Amantrayasva. Okay, now it is The night has Rajani upasthita means Ratri upasthita. So the night has fallen. So now it is night time. So all of you come back iti artha. So whoever wanders in that Nalini Tira, right? So that Nadi Tira. So she's calling, somebody is calling everybody back. So api sahacharam amantrayasva. Sahachara is a companion, one who roams around with you. That's a companion. So call all the companions, she says. So call everybody. Rajani upasthita. So night has fallen. Now we all have to go back. So ayi sahacharam amantrayasva. Companion, call everybody. So means she is inviting them back to their hermitage. Rajani upasthita. So the night has fallen. Rajani is strilinga pada. So upasthita. Upasthita again tapratyaya. Upa upasarga sthadatu. Shakuntala sasambramam Paurava asamshayam Arya Gautami itaha agacchati tat vitapantarito bhava. So now hearing this voice from behind, Paurava, she sasambramam, so she's quickly, hurriedly, O Paurava, asamshayam Arya Gautami itaha agacchati. So Arya Gautami. So Gautami is an elderly person in that hermitage. So one Matha says she is Kanva's sister. But she is a mother-like figure for Shakuntala. So asamshayam, without any doubt. So Arya Gautami itaha agacchati. Oh, I can hear her voice. So Gautami has come here. Tataha vitapantaritaha bhava. So please hide yourself. So if she sees you, it is not good. So please hide yourself. Say so. Antarita means hidden. Ityartha. So vitapantarita is behind the tree. So hide yourself behind the tree so that she doesn't see you here. So Shakuntala, startled, Sasambramam, Paurava, O prince, Asamshayam, surely, Arya Gautami, itaha agacchati. So the Gautami is coming here. So she is an elderly person. She is calling everybody back. Okay, it's now night time. Everybody should come back to your place. So she's calling. So please hide behind that tree. Vitapasya antaritaha bhava. So antarita is hidden. So go hide yourself behind the tree. Iti. Tatha. So he says, okay, I will do. Iti antaritaha tishtati. So he goes and hides himself behind a tree. I think with this. So as you wish, Tatha, I do as you wish. He hides behind the tree. So that is also, with this we have completed the all 5 lessons of Shakuntalam. 5 or 6 lessons. 6 lessons of Shakuntalam from the Pustaka. So from say from Pariksha point of view, there are not specific questions from Shakuntalam as such. So I've gone through the old question papers also. There isn't specifically anything asked from Shakuntala. It says basically the Sandhi, probably words with Sandhi or Samasa. It's not even Samasa. Actually, Sandhis is what they are asking. There's the do Sandhi and split Sandhi. There is exercise on that. So you have words there. But as such, they are not asking anything specific from this Patha. But still, let us practice all those abhyasa given. So one abhyasa compulsory is doing the translation. So let us read the Samskrita sentence and we try to translate it. So that is one exercise which is given in all the Patha. So I have uploaded exercises for first 3 lessons, I think, or first 4. I will check and I will complete the upload of all exercises this week for Shakuntalam. Second exercise is Sandhi. So they have Sandhi. Third is the finding the Vachana, right? So the Itara Vachana, you have to write the forms, Rupam Likata. So we have Itara Vachane Rupam Likata. So we have the, they give you one Vibhaktyanta. So if they say Arya, if they give, then Arya, Arya, Aryaha. You're expected to write the other 2 forms. Okay, so some word they will give you and you have to identify the Vibhakti and write the other 2 Vachana. So that was exercise, all exercises in the Shakuntala Pata has this kind of exercise. And apart from that, we also have the Dhatu Rupa. So say Tishtati, if they give dash dash. They say Tishtati, Tishtataha, Tishtanti. So that kind of exercise is also there. So whatever is in the pustaka, I keep posting it in the portal. So please check. This week I'll make sure for all the 6 lessons, I will completely post the exercises. You can practice those exercises. So then we will take up the Ramayana. So after this, we will take up Ramayana. So we have 30 shlokas from Ramayana. Again, Bhavartha is important. We should know the Bhavartha for Ramayana. So after that, I think we'll be coming to the course completion. So we will be completing the course. There's one more essay, a short essay. We can do it in one class. So after that, I'll give a break and probably you can have a test, one final test we will have at the course, and we will have one assessment. This to help you prepare for your pariksha. Okay, so this is the plan as of now. So if there are any questions, you can ask. Srinivasan Mahoday.
Are you able to hear me?
Bhagini.
Bhagini, I just wanted to know this level 4 exams, it is fully into grammar or there will be question answers like that? A prose part also?
Question paper pattern you're asking?
Yes.
Yes, so question paper pattern, it's like it has a bhavartha. Basically, you don't have a question answer type here. As far as I saw the question papers, there are no question answer kind of questions. You have the shlokas given and you have to write the bhavartha, anvaya, such kind of questions. Apart from that, you have sandhi, samasa. Then the Subhashita we did know, the Ramayana Subhashita. So from that they are asking you to write one kind of one paragraph. So they give one Subhashitam, ask you to explain that in Samskrita. That is asked. There is no question answer kind of from any patha for that matter. You don't have such a pattern. I will be posting, or we can even discuss in one class. We can take up all question papers and we can do the discussion.
Okay, thank you, Bhagini.
Mostly grammar, and yes. And you also have the Bhavartha, writing the Bhavarthas.
Okay, because I've directly joined this level. I have not done the earlier level.
It should be easy. The question paper for me, it appears easy. If you are good in grammar, you can easily score marks.
Yes.
It's not as tough as we think. Oh, it's level 4, should be tough. No. If you know Sandhi, yes, you can score good marks. Sandhi, Samasa. And forms, Dhatu Rupa, Shabda Rupa. So it is good. It is not so tough.
Okay, thank you, Bhagini.
Astu. Shyamala Mahoday.
Namaste, Mahodaya. Yeah, I just wanted if we can solve some, previous year's papers, like
Yes, I will post.
So,
yes,
so that we will get a hang. Even I have joined the first time. I do not know about the previous year's papers.
I thought I will post it after completing Ramayana, so that you will know the entire chapter, entire syllabus will be covered. Otherwise, if a question is very, if you have not studied, it will look different. So I'm waiting. I will complete Ramayana and then post it. It's simply grammar and okay, you can even otherwise take a look. I will share it. No problem. Probably 1 or 2 I will share in the group only, WhatsApp group. You can check.
Yeah, Dhanyavada. At least 2, 3, so that we'll know the pattern,
Sure.
So
now they have kind of standardized the pattern. So previously there wasn't any specific pattern previously, but now for the last 2-3 years they are coming up with a standard pattern, and this is how it will be asked. So we expect it to be in that pattern.
Yeah, at least 2-3 papers if we can.
Sure, I will
solve.
share.
Yeah. Dhanyavada, Mahodaya.
Srinivasan sir, you are not able to unmute yourself. Shyamala Mahoday. Oh, you have just spoken. Purnima Mahoday, sorry. Purnima Mahoday.
नमस्कारः भगिनी परीक्षा कृते कदा पञ्जीकरणं करणीयम्
So there was one message sent on WhatsApp group. So people who are not in the group, please join the WhatsApp group. So we have sent a link. So normally the January cycle of examination, Vyoma takes charge and we help you take the exam. But for the July cycle, you will have to join the group that the link was shared in our
Oh,
WhatsApp
so,
group, the Pathamala group.
हम तो WhatsApp ग्रुप मध्ये नास्मि, परन्तु आगस्ट्
Okay.
मध्ये जनवरी मध्ये स्वीकरोमि चेत् ऑनलाइन भविष्यति वा परीक्षा?
Yes. So online again, we have center. So depending on from where you are writing, you can discuss all those details with that person. So we have shared a number in WhatsApp group also. If you have not
Okay, I
joined the
go.
group, please join. The link to the WhatsApp group is in the portal only. So please join the WhatsApp group, and from there you can join that group, the Pathamala group, and you can whatever questions you have, you can check.
व्योम मध्ये पृच्छामि चेत् योजयति वा
January
WhatsApp
cycle.
मध्ये?
That is January cycle, not for the July
WhatsApp मध्ये
cycle.
अस्तु 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 धन्यवादः.
So those who want to write Pariksha, please join the WhatsApp group. There we have shared a link.
पोर्टल मध्ये योजयितुम् अशक्यं भगिनि. मया पोर्टल मध्ये योजयितुं प्रयत्नं कृतवती, तद् न सम्भवम् अभवत्.
And please share your number with us. We can add you to the group. Please send a
Astu.
mail or share your number with us, phone number. We will add you in that.
अस्तु, कुत्र चाट् मध्ये स्थापयामि वा?
अत्र वा स्थापयतु. I will make a note.
अस्तु.
Srinivasan sir, I'm not.
चाट् डिसेबल्ड् भगिनि. अस्तु, धन्यवादः.
Question answer अस्ति खलु, तत्रैव स्थापयतु.
धन्यवादः.
So old question papers. So someone has asked about old question papers. Yes, I will post the question paper. See, but the very only the recent ones are in a standard pattern, and we are expecting the pariksha will be in that pattern. So previously, again I'm telling, it was not of any standard strict pattern. So they asked whatever they like to ask. So that question papers also I will post. Okay, so but don't get scared, it is different. Okay, the recent ones is the pattern. That is what we assume, and we think it will be in that way only. The old ones, they might be in a different pattern, but you can always go through what kind of questions is asked, and you can prepare yourself. We have to learn lit lakara. Lit is not covered. So as far as lakaras are concerned, lat, lot, lung, vidhiling, and lit lakara, future tense. These 5 lakaras, definitely you must learn. Okay, I will note down your number. I can add it. I will add it in our group, and you can add yourself in the other Pathamala group.
धन्यवादः.
Anything else? Okay, I will note down these numbers. Okay, there are a lot of numbers. Astu. So I am not able to unmute you, sir. Srinivasan sir, you can put a message to me in the Q&A. Purnima Mahoday.
भगिनि इदानीमेव उक्तवती खलु.
Okay, sorry.
अवगतं. धन्यवादः भगिनि.
धन्यवादः. Anybody else except Srinivasan sir? I think there are. Raghavan Mahoday.
I am already in the WhatsApp group.
No, sir, you have raised your hand. So if you have any questions, you can.
I am already in the WhatsApp group.
Astu, sir.
Link that you said you have shared some link.
In the WhatsApp group, there was one recent message about the pariksha. No, did you see that?
No, what?
Okay, I will forward it once again.
Okay.
So regarding pariksha, people who are willing to take exam this July, you have to join another WhatsApp group whose link is shared in our Pathamala WhatsApp group. Okay, so Vyoma is taking charge only for the January cycle, not for the July cycle. So we will help you write in January, but for July, you have to write through them. So we have given you the contact, the WhatsApp group. So there all exam related question information will be shared to you. And there is also one number which we will share. Any doubts regarding this, you can check with that person. He will answer.
You are again sharing that link.
I will share it once again. I will add these numbers first to the WhatsApp group and then I will share that same information. You can join that WhatsApp group for Pathamala, exclusively for Pathamala students, that group.
Okay.
Satish Mahoday.
Namaskara Bhagini. Mama
Namaste.
Nama Dukshanath Reddy. I have posted my number in the question and answers.
I don't understand, sir.
My name is Dwaraknath Reddy. It is another's
Sure.
laptop.
I will add whatever numbers are shared in the Q&A. I will add those numbers to the group. Astu.
How to
Karishyami.
get the book, Bhagini?
Pustaka information, it is available only in Tamil, not in any other language. So if you know
But
Tamil, you can buy it. So the information
I
about
don't
the
know
Pustaka
Tamil,
is
but I
also.
can understand Sanskrit letters. Devanagari, I can understand.
Yes,
I can-
yes, you can buy. In that case, you can buy. Yes. Whoever wants the Pustaka, please buy it. We have already shared the details there. Again, I will share it once again in the group. I will
Dhanyawada.
share it. Dhanyawada. Anybody else? I will lower your hands. Anybody else? If you have any question, you can raise your hand once. Shah, you can unmute yourself. Prema Mahoday. From my side or your side, I am asking you to unmute.
Can you hear? I'm
हाँ.
living in Bangalore. If I'm writing in July cycle, do I have any centers here or should I write it online?
All these details you have to check there only. So please check. We will share the number. Please check with them. There are centers in Chennai, that much I know. About Bangalore, please check with them.
Okay, madam. Dhanyawada.
So any doubts related to Pariksha, we will share that number. You can check with them. Astu.
Okay, dhanyawada.
Dhanyawada. Ram Ram. Namaste. So we'll meet on Friday. Dhanyawada. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग्